Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to receive notifications if it rains or snow in the next hour in your current location on your iPhone running iOS 15. This notification is only available in United States, United Kingdom, and Ireland. First, let's enable location services for your weather app so it knows your location. To do that, go into Settings, then Privacy, then Location Services. Then scroll down and tap on the weather app and make sure Always is selected. Now go back to the home screen and open up your weather app. Then tap on the three lines at the bottom right. Then tap on the three dots at the top right. Tap on the notification option. If this is your first time, you'll see the Allow Notification screen. Press Continue and then press Allow on the prompt. You will then come to this page, toggle the switch for My Location and switch it on. And that is how to receive notifications in the next hour if it rains or snows in your location on your iPhone running iOS 15. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add it in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to this channel as it means a lot, and don't forget to turn on bell notifications so you get alerted for my next video. If you found this video useful, then please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.